this tip of the day, let's take a look at a calculator that OneCNC provides that you may not even be aware of. Now, I use this calculator from time to time when generating toolpath. Let me give you an example. If we look within the NC Manager, you're going to notice that I already have a pocket operation. So if we were to edit this, let's right-hand mouse click and select Edit Operation. You're going to find that this calculator is available within these dialog boxes within every parameter that requires numeric input. For example, spindle speed. I'm going to take my cursor and left click, and now I can hit the F8 key on the keyboard, function key 8, and then we get our calculator. Now we can type in any equation that we'd like. For example, how about 8,000 times 0.9? That looks good. We'll hit the equal sign, and now when we click Insert, OneCNC is going to take the result of the calculation and push it right inside of that parameter box. Very, very powerful. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.